Hey guys, this is Dior Shala here. Today I'm going to show off my new phone in my collection, episode 25. I have two phones I bought on flea market. And yeah, let's begin. So here's a smiley phone. Works fine. Cool startup. Here's a HTC Desire HD. It works. So yeah, that's my new phone in my collection, episode 25. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like, comment down below, hit the notification, like and subscribe. And yeah, see you in the next video. Peace out.